Hello everyone, this is Sharada and you are watching Duggani Sisters. Today I am going to explain the method of finding of LCM and HCF of a fraction. Now before I start, if you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and click on bell icon to get the notification. So let's start. So the method to calculate LCM and HCF of a fraction. So normally you know how we'll find out the LCM. So for instance, if I take 15 and 12, so these are the numbers. If you want to calculate the LCM of it, you are going to take the prime number, that is 3 5s, 3 4s, and still it can be divided by 2, and you are going to multiply these and find out the LCM. That is 3 to 6, 6 5s 30, 32 is 60. And HCF, how we are going to find out? For instance, if I take the same number 12 and 15, because 12 is a smaller number, consider 12 as divisor and 15 as dividend. 12 ones 12. When you subtract, remainder is 3. As 3 is smaller, take 12 down. 3 4s 12. So when I subtract, remainder is 0. So HCF is 3. And over here, LCM is 60. Now this is when we consider a whole number. But now I am explaining the method of finding LCM and HCF of a fraction. So let me explain by taking an example. The formula is now this is the formula. LCM of a fraction is nothing but LCM of numerator by HCF of denominator. So let me take an example. So the example is 4 by 5 and 7 by 8. Now this is a fraction. Now you need to find out the LCM of a fraction. So now before I start, I should find out the LCM of numerator. So take the numerator values of 4 and 7. Find out LCM of it. So 2 divides 4. So 2 2's 4 and 7. Now here they both are prime numbers and they are different. So you can stop over here and find out LCM as 2 into by multiplying these we are going to get the LCM. 2 2's 4, 4 7's 28. Now HCF of denominator. So denominators here are 5 and 8. Now you need to find out HCF of it. So from this, the smaller number is 5. So 5 is divisor and 8 is dividend. 5 ones 5. When I subtract, I get it remainder as 3. But 3 is smaller. So take the 5 and divide. So 3 ones 3. When I subtract, it is 2. Now 2 is smaller again. So take 3 down. 2 ones 2. When I subtract, the remainder is 1. So take 1 is smaller than 2. So take 2. So 1 2 is 2 and the remainder is 0. You need to divide until you get a remainder 0. So after getting the remainder 0, that divisor will be HCF. Yes. So here the LCM we got it as 28, HCF as 1. Now so LCM of 4 by 5 and 7 by 8 is, so what is the formula? LCM of a numerator. We got LCM as 28 and HCF is of a denominator. So denominator's HCF we got it as 1. So 28 by 1 is nothing but 28. Yes. So I'll just repeat once again. LCM of a fraction is nothing but you need to find out the LCM of the numerators and HCF of the denominators. I have taken an example 4 by 5 and 7 by 8. Here the numerators are 4 and 7. I found out the LCM. I got it as 28. And I have taken the denominators, found out the HCF. I got HCF as 1. So substitute in the formula. 28 by 1 is nothing but 28. So let me explain by taking one more example. So the next example is 16 by 20 and 4 by 28. So we need to find out the LCM of a fraction. So the formula is LCM of numerators and HCF of denominators. The formula is LCM of numerators and HCF of denominators. So let me find out LCM of numerators. So the numerators over here are 16 and 4. So find out the LCM. 16 and 4. So both is divisible by 2. So 2 8s, 2 2s. So again it can be divided. 2 4s, 2 1s. Now 2 2s. So divide until you get a prime number. So the LCM is equal to, multiply this all, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Actually if you multiply with 1 you are going to get the same number. So no need to write 1. 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8, 8 2s 16. Now find out the HCF of denominators. So denominators are 20 and 28. Now you need to find out the HCF of these two. The smaller number will be the divisor, the bigger one will be dividend. So 20 once is 20. When I subtract, remainder is 8. So take 8 is smaller than 20. So take this divisor as dividend. So now 8 2s is 16. So now subtract. By subtracting I get it as 4. The remainder is 4. Now 4 is smaller than 8. So this divisor is taken as dividend. Now 4 2s is 8 and the remainder is 0. Now we got a remainder over here as 0. So this will be the HCF. So HCF is equal to 4. Now we found out the LCM. We found out the HCF. So let us substitute in the formula. So LCM of fraction 16 by 20 and 4 by 28 is, now what is the formula? LCM of numerator. So LCM of numerator is 16. HCF of denominator. So 16 by 4. HCF is 4. Now this can be cancelled. 4 1s, 4 4s, it is 4. So the LCM of 16 by 20 is and 4 by 28 is 4. Yes. So let me take one more example by taking 3 fractions. Yes, I have taken 3 fractions, that is 5 by 16, 15 by 24, 25 by 8. So here I need to find out the LCM of these fractions. So the formula is the LCM of numerator by HCF of denominator. So same process, we need to find out the LCM of numerators. So numerator over here are, numerator values are 5, 15 and 25. So let us find out the LCM of these 5. So 5 can divide all 3. So 5 1s, 5 3s, 5 5s. Now you can see here 1, 3, 5 all are different and they are prime numbers here. So we can stop multiplication, further division, and we can just multiply 5 into 3 into 5. Because why I am not taking 1 is, if I multiply with 1 I am going to get the same number. So I am not considering 1. 5 3 is 15, 15 5 is 75. So now denominators are 16, 24 and 8. Now we need to find out the HCF of these three numbers. Now first I'll take these two. You can consider any two numbers, but here I'm considering 16 and 24. So the smaller number will be the divisor, bigger number will be the dividend. 16 once is 16. When I subtract, I'll get it as 8. Now 8 is smaller than 16, so this can be, now 16 can be taken as dividend. 8 to 16, when I subtract, the remainder is 0. Now here we got the remainder as 0, so the HCF will be 8. Now this 8 is a divisor, and take the next remaining number. Now here it is 8. 8 once is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. So the HCF is 8. Yes, now we found out the LCM as 75, HCF as 8. Now let us substitute in the formula. So LCM of 5 by 16, 15 by 24, 25 by 8 is, now LCM of numerator is 75, HCF of denominator is 8. So here we got the answer as 75 by 8. Now here there is no possibility of cancellation, so we can just write 75 by 8. Hope you have understood the method of finding of LCM of a fraction. If you have understood, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.